friends, welcome to our channel RJSN. It's me Shabas from Qatar and welcome to the tutorial for how to solve a Rubik's Cube part 3. So let's go to the video. Okay guys, in third part you should have 2 layers completed, bottom 2 layers completed in every colors except yellow, as you can see here. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, we completed the white full completely and we have upside down T on all colors except yellow. Okay, now look at the top and you should take a middle piece which does not have yellow in it. So this piece have yellow in it. As you can see, I don't have yellow in this. So you should take this color which is underneath, which is pink. So you should align pink with the pink. Okay, I aligned the pink with the pink. Then you should look the top color which is blue and you should look on which side the color is. In my case it is here on my left. So if the color is in the left, you should move the top side on the opposite side. So in my case it is in the left, so turn the upper part to right. If the blue is here, you should move the part into left. In my case, my color is in the left, so I move to the right. Then you should take the color which is of the cube, so the blue color. So take that blue side, but you should catch like this. The pink you should catch on us and take this blue color like this. Then do the move. If it is in the left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise. If it is in the right, you should do right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise. In my case it is in the left, so left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise and left clockwise. So as you can see, my one white piece is gone. It is here. As we did earlier, check the color beside it. Blue. Align the blue with the blue diagonally and do that move. Right. If it is in the right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise. If it is in the left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise and left clockwise. In my case it was right. Okay. Now if you look that piece, it is placed here, blue pink piece. Okay, now check another color which does not have yellow. Okay, there it is. Okay, now look the color underneath it, which is orange. Align with the orange centerpiece. Then look the color. In my case it is blue, and if the blue is here and in my case it is in the right, so move to the left. Then take the upper color which is blue, and if it is in the right clockwise, top clockwise and right counterclockwise. Then check the color beside it. In my case it is blue again, and line the color with diagonally and do the move. Left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and left clockwise. Okay, now I have another color fixed. Now check for another color. There it is. Align the pink with the pink. Then look the color which is green. If the green is in the right. Turn the upper part to left. Then do the move. Then match with the diagonally. Then do the move. Okay, as you can see, I have completed that, but sometimes you would have yellow color in every side, so you should take an unsolved part. I will show for example. Guys, as you can see, I have one unsolved piece right here, and if I look all of the piece, I have yellow in it. So you should take the unsolved piece and do that move again. If it is in, you can catch it with left and right. I like right, so right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise. Then do the same. Check the color side of it, which is orange, and line with the center color diagonally and do the move. Okay, now if you look at middle piece, you can see that piece somewhere on the top. Then check the color underneath and match with that color. Then check the upper color which is in my right, so turn the cube to left. Then do the move. Then diagonally match it, then do the move again. So there we go, we completed the part 3. Guys, thank you for watching. Okay, it's RJSN signing out.